Wow, look at that fish. 180 only.
150.
150.
75 yan, no?
Juicy, baby. Oh, man. Baby is juicy.
Yeah, 1/4.
Like, comment, subscribe. Don't forget. Oh, shit, look at this one.
125. 60,
This
250,
one don't look.
63. Naraya.
This one don't even look like fish, babe.
1/4 man, 125
Looks like
ang mga.
chicken or something.
125.
Oh, look at this black one. What is that? Oh, guy. Hot guy. Dang, the fish. Fish is wild.
Ah.
Where from now? Okay. Oh my god. My wife's super shopping today. She's super shopping for food. Super fish. Baby loves super fish. Let's see what she's gonna. Oh, I don't know what that is. Babe, what you gonna buy?
Pili ko yun na tunga yan.
140. 140. Ay. This one. Was your best friend? Oh, look at that big old tuna fish. Dang. Save highlight. Dang, it don't let me save the highlight. Like, what the hell? Bro, he got fish on the go over here. Oh shit, look at this one. 20. And then that one. Oh, here's the one. Here's the one that you cooked.
No, which one is chicken or fish?
I don't know. Oh, you gotta buy chicken? You gonna buy fish for you? Oh. Well, we are exploring the fish market today. Let's see what else they got over here. Damn, this one looks more clear over here. Oh man, he's cutting now.
160.
That one is 160? Cutting the big fish. So let's go that way. We don't got. We can go. What are you gonna buy now? Don't forget to like the video. Look at all these crazy fish, y'all. We already went through it. Oh yeah, they're about to load the fish right here. And they go around selling fish from the motorbike. Look at that one there. Looks red or something. Stop raping me and fuck you, bro. What are you gonna buy or what? Oh, this one right here?
Oh my god, smells like fried fish.
Fried fish. 70. 70. Can, let me see if I can save the highlight.